Hey, what's up guys? I want to give you a quick review on these wire strippers. I got them because I was working on a special project to build a LED neon strip sign, and the wire I was using had a white, I'll show you, it has this white jacket coating on the outside, kind of coating the wires. So I wanted something that instead of having to cut this jacket and then take that off and then separately strip the wires, I wanted something that could do it a little bit faster. And I came across these things and they worked really good because this kind of has a automatic kind of pressure gauge sensor type deal going on. So when you go to strip your wires, it only puts a certain amount of pressure, and it's like just enough to actually strip the coating off, so it makes it really fast. So just a quick demo. See, it pulled that jacket off first, and then you can see you have these two wires exposed, no damage to them. And then you can go ahead, without changing anything, go back and strip both the wires at the same time. Hopefully you can see there wasn't any damage to the copper wire, and it stripped them nice and evenly. And you can see that it also stripped this coating off out here really evenly. They're really nice, and it saved me a lot of time. And it's really cool too that it has a kind of a measurement gauge in here, a depth gauge, so hopefully you can see, but you can tell how much of the wire you want to strip off by using that. And then you can use this to adjust the pressure, right? So how much it actually grips down on the wire. So if you notice you're using it and it's stripping your like cutting into your copper, or maybe it's not pulling off the rubber coating, you can tighten it up or loosen it, just for a simple adjustment. So it's been really cool for me and saved me a lot of time. I actually really love these.